Hello, my LinkedIn family. This project is part of my virtual internship at Oasis Infobyte. So the title of the project is Sales Prediction Using Python. So in the very first step, I imported all the necessary libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and sklearn. In the next step, I loaded the dataset. The dataset is available on Kaggle. In the third step, we perform some coding operations, familiarize ourselves with the data. So here is the shape of data. Shape of data contains number of rows and number of columns. And here is a number of null values in the dataset. And here is a number of duplicate rows in the dataset. So we can see that our data is cleaned. So we just have to perform one cleaning operation, that is to remove an unwanted column. In the exploratory data analysis part, we have correlation matrix of the features. It shows the multicollinearity in the dataset. So the multicollinearity is not much high, so we don't have to afraid of it. In the next step, I split the data into features and target column, and then I plot the data, the scatter plot of the feature and target column. So we can see that in TV, in the feature of TV and the target sales, there is a relationship, a linear relationship, and also the same has occurred in the radio and sales. But there is no linear relationship between newspaper and sales column. In the next step, I split the features and target column in training and testing dataset, and then I used random forest regressor to train the model. The training is done on the random forest regressor, and in the same part, I do some predictions. So here is the regression matrix values. So you can see that the mean absolute error is very less, and the mean squared error is also very less, and R2 score is nearly approaching 1. So it shows that our model is a good model. Thank you. Bye bye.